Maharaj?
Yes.
There is some controversy about Tulsidas.
What is that?
Some say he was pure devotee, and
Yes.
Prabhupada say he was. There is some mixed, some tinge in his Rama-carita-mānasa.
Oh yes.
He's not pure.
He is a
Great devotee.
devotee of Lord Rama. That's a fact.
Great
Definitely,
devotee.
yes. He changed. Mula Ramayana. Ramayana written by Vālmīki is śāstra. That is counted among śāstra. There are many Ramayanas, but they are not counted as śāstra. You understand? So, this Tulsi, Das Goswami, isn't it? Yes. Goswami Tulsi Das, yes. He is dear devotee of Lord Rama. Very dear devotee of Lord Rama. If he goes to some Krishna temple, you understand, he says, please give up your flute and carry bow and arrow, then I'll bow down. And Lord does it. Yes, Lord shows him that form of Lord Rama. It's like Hanuman. You understand? It's like Hanuman. Hanuman is such dear devotee of Lord Rama, who opened his heart and soul that there is only Sita Ram now there. You understand? So dāsya bhakta, Hanuman. Lord Ram took everybody when he left this planet and went to Ajodhya, took everybody with him. Those who are in Ajodhya, but he didn't take Hanuman, he left it here. Still Hanuman is here now. Still Hanuman is here, yes. In Kim Purusa Varsa, he is still there. You understand? Hanuman still there, yes. Because to teach dāsya bhakti. He left Hanuman here to teach dāsya bhakti. Become such a das like Hanuman. Such das. Hanuman is a great sadhu, you understand? But he only wants to see the form of Lord Rama, not any form of the Lord. You understand? Once from Dwarka, Krishna sent a Garuda. You understand? Go to Hanuman. He is there sitting, staying in Kim Purusa Varsa. Tell I am calling him, he should come immediately. I want to see him. Garuda came. Hanuman was engaged in chanting Ram, 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 Ram. Garuda said, Dandavat, Mahatma ji, Hanuman ji, I have come from Dwarka. Lord Krishna has sent me. He wants to see you. He didn't listen. He didn't and no heed at all. Repeatedly Garuda said, can't you hear, can't you? Then became angry and gave great loss with his tail. Then Garuda flew and just fell down in front of Krishna in Dwarka. Krishna could understand what had happened. So, Krishna said, you are a fool. Why don't you say, Krishna said, go say, Lord Ram says. He said, come immediately, go again. So again Garuda came. You understand? Again Garuda came and said, Hanuman Dandavat. Lord Ram is calling you. My Lord coming, why don't you say? I'll go immediately. Please sit on my shoulder, I'll play. No need of your help. You go, I am going. Do you understand? So, Garuda went. Before the arrival of Garuda, Hanuman has already arrived there. And Garuda arrived there, saw Hanuman is arrived, and Lord Krishna holding bow and arrows. Ram, assumed form of Ram. Balaram has assumed form of Lakshmana. Rukmini has assumed form of Sita. Ram, Lakshmana, Sita standing, Hanuman sitting. Garuda saw. Do you understand? Such a devotee is the Swami Tulsidas. He says, oh Krishna, oh Lord, give up your flute. Carry, hold, bow and arrow. So my form I want to see. Show me that form, I'll bow down. And he sees. Yes, Lord shows you that. Hanuman said that thing. This is the sadhu. Srinathe Janakinathe Aveda Paramatmani Mama Jivana Sarvasva Rama Rajivanasana. I know that no difference between Srinath and Janakinath. Do you understand? Krishna and Ram, there is no difference. I know it in Tattva. Yes, it's so sadhu. But the beloved, the dearest Lord of my heart is lotus-eyed Lord Rama. This is one-pointed, analytic devotion, one-pointed. The form of the devotee wants to see, Lord shows him that. That is known as svarūpa-siddhi. That is svarūpa-siddhi. You understand? What is your melody? The form you want to see, Lord will show you that form. Unlimited forms, yes. That is svarūpa-siddhi. You understand? So similarly, that Swami Kusudas was like that. But he made some deviations. He wrote this Rama-carita-mānasa. He made many deviations from original Ramayana. So the Rama-carita-mānasa is never counted among śāstra. Vālmīki Ramayana, original Ramayana is counted. If you quote Ramayana, quote Vālmīki Ramayana. You understand?
In conversations, Prabhupada writes that he was not pure devotee. That's why.
He made such deviations. You understand? So, Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they never quote from Rama-carita-mānasa. They never quote Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Others quote Rama-carita-mānasa.
Yes.
This is Ram-navami coming. Many places find Rama-carita-mānasa. So, read and speak, many places. Yes, especially in Ajodhya, then Uttar Pradesh, here in Odisha, many places. Yes, you understand? It has already started now. It already started. I have asked, when I was wandering all the places, I went to Ajodhya, yes. I went to Ajodhya. In Ajodhya, many these saints are there, they are devotees of Lord Rama, and they all quote Rama-carita-mānasa. I asked them, why Tulsidas, Swami Tulsidas, deviated from original Ramayana? So many deviations, what is that? They said, one of them gave me this answer, Tulsidas wrote the pastimes of Ram, coming in some other treta. Ram never comes in all treta. He also comes. So he wrote that. If some sense is there. I became such, all right, that's good. You understand?
So if he deviated, otherwise, how could he see Lord Ram? He must have been such an exalted personality. To be able to have darshan of Lord.
Yeah, it is said so.
Yeah.
It is said about him, Tulsidas, it is said this thing. It was said, yes, it's a devotee he was. Anyhow, he is a devotee of some devotion, devotee of Ram. Lord always shows him the Ram form. But we don't accept this Rama-carita-mānasa, we Gaudiya Vaishnavas. That's not śāstra. No deviations are there. If you want to quote Ramayana, then quote from Tulsi, Vālmīki Ramayana. That is śāstra.
He has written that Hanuman Chalisa.
Many things.
And in Hanuman Chalisa, he speaks about Lord Ram and praise him. He says, you are giving the four fruits. Like dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So I was thinking, this may be why Prabhupada said he was not pure devotee.
Because we don't want moksha.
He said you're giving the fourfold achievements.
We want bhakti. We don't want moksha. Whatever that, we need not go to that. Let them do whatever they like. But in Rama-carita-mānasa, I have read it. Yes, I have read it. I was also reciting it. Yes. I have some fascination for Rama also. Yes. So therefore I am attracted to Chaitanya, who says he is Ram, Krishna and Chaitanya. So that form I am attracted to. Yes, he is my Lord, he is Ram, he is Krishna, he is Chaitanya. So that going to be fine. I am very much attracted. So I have read. Yes, Sadhbhuji. I have read that. This Rama Carita Manasa. I was also reciting it. Yes, I have all experience. And in Rama Carita Manasa, he has said so many things about Bhakti.
Very sweet.
Yes, very sweet, very sweet, very sweet. And Bhakti Tattva is there. Yes, and about Sadhu Sangha, he has said many things. All what he has said, that's all there in Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam. About Sadhu Sangha, about Bhakti, Bhakti. Tulsidas has said that.
I had bought one copy when I was in Bombay. Prabhupada was still there in '76. Then when I came back to the temple, they told me, oh, Prabhupada was just speaking about it recently. And he said we should not read because it is mixed.
Mixed, yes. Because you are
Prabhupada said
deviated.
it's not pure devotee, therefore we should not.
Because you are deviated. Yeah, man, so many deviations from original śāstra. That is only thing. Otherwise, he has said many things about Bhakti, Siddha Bhakti and Sadhu Sangha in that Rama Carita Manasa. And that, whatever he has said, everything is there in Srimad Bhagavatam. Similar verses are there in Srimad Bhagavatam.
He came in parampara or?
No, not this bona fide parampara. No.
Maybe that's why Prabhupada, because we were neophytes, it was
Yes.
to protect us from
Yes.
deviation.
Yes. So, Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they don't accept it. This Rama Carita Manasa and Tulsidas parampara, we don't accept it. We don't accept it. Anyhow, he has some devotion. Yes. So this form I am very much attracted. Ram, Krishna, Chaitanya. I know everything. At last I found out, oh, this is here. So I accepted all that.